Hi, and welcome to this week's episode of Support Spotlight. I'm Lauren, and today we're going to be going over reverse prospecting. So, first things first, I am not an agent, and so I don't have any listings, and so I had to assume one of my friend's identities. That's why everything's kind of blurred out, but ignore that. So if you go up here into your hamburger menu and go down to listings, go up here to your published listings, you can select this 3 dots menu, click on that, scroll down, and you'll see in the contact options, reverse prospecting. And when you click on that, it will pull up a list of all of the matches that property has. And that's how you get to reverse prospecting in Paragon Connect. Thank you. Have a good day.